People understand cheapness when they go and buy groceries, but then they get confused when they go out in the stock markets. Well, to me, Evli Global Equities is three things. Firstly, it's a team of diligent portfolio managers who have gone to great lengths to get an approach in investing that would be rational and repeatable. Second, it's 7 funds. And then thirdly, Evli Global Equities is an investment philosophy that claims that the combination of an independent mind, of a few well-defined decision variables, and discipline is very powerful when investing. We like to think of ourselves as a subcategory of value investing. That's exactly what we're doing. Of course, methods vary. So some people like to use another set of decision variables. We pick our investments through a screen. We like to focus on fundamentals, so we don't rely on predictions, because it seems that humans sometimes react irrationally on the stock markets. People understand cheapness when they go and buy groceries, but then they get confused when they go out in the stock markets. If you want to know a company, you should really read the annual report. Long term is, to me, synonymous with investor. Short term is more for a speculator. This picture originally belonged to one of my late colleagues, so I just brought it with me to respect his memory, and then of course to remind ourselves of this emotionalism that takes over in the markets, and that it would be quite important to try to avoid that kind of emotionalism. To be prudent and conservative when the strategy is performing, not as well as you would hope, is a combination of having good processes and good people. We have principles, we have rules that make us avoid behavioral traps and cognitive biases. And of course, it's very important that clients understand why things are going as they are going. So if you invest into our mutual funds, you shouldn't worry about short-term volatility or market squiggles. You should, do a good analysis of us and the fund, and if you feel comfortable, you would invest in it, but then you need to stick to the strategy.